Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to import an existing wallet to Green Bitcoin wallet. To import an existing wallet into Green Bitcoin wallet, you will need either the recovery phrase or private key from your old wallet. Importing allows you to restore your fund and transaction history in Green Bitcoin wallet with full access to managing and spending your coin. First, open the Green Bitcoin wallet application on the device. After that, click on Set up a new wallet button. Now, click on Get Started. Here, click on this device, and after that you will get two options, New Wallet and Restore Wallet. Click on Restore Wallet button. After that, if you are using the recovery phrase, select the option to enter recovery phrase, then input 12, 24 or 26 word seeds. Ensure that the words are entered in correct order. You can also scan the QR code for recovery process. Click on the QR code sign which is at the top right corner and scan the QR code. Now click on Continue button. After that, you need to set the PIN for your wallet for security reasons. Confirm the PIN once again by typing it. After that, click on Continue. After that, your wallet will be imported. And that is how you can import an existing wallet to Green Bitcoin wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.